Hi guys, so welcome back to Galaxy Unicorn Games. So today we are playing Adopt Me, which is a really good game. Okay, so got a view tour of my house. So here is my filming area, which I just do that. Get ready every single day. And yeah, it's really fun to record with you guys. And this is really, and yeah, and that's just bad. We really don't want that. I hate these fans. Now it looks amazing. It's the actual walls and stuff, but it's not actually walls. These look like walls, but they're just little things, and it's really nice to add more rooms in here. So here is my bedroom. It's not fully finished yet. Yeah, and this is where I can sleep. I can sleep. Let me just sleep. I need to sleep for a second, okay? Oh, sorry guys. I was asleep. I don't know what happened here. I need to wake up and in a dot in the actual dot. Yeah, sorry. I'm bad. So let's open this door. So in here is the bathroom. I wanted to go to that side, and I can go in the bathroom when I'm in my room. This is cute. And over here is just like a little area. I don't know what this can be yet. It's going to be something. And then in here is my kitchen, which is very small. Yeah. Then, yeah, I've already said this. Then here is my little living room. Nice living room here. I think I should change this stuff around, okay? Because it's getting really squishy here. It's squished here. My tiny living room. I want to call it the tiny living room. It's going to be my tiny living room. It's pretty good. This is pretty good. Yeah, and this is my living room. The tiny living room. I think. Well, no, I don't really think. So, guys, I just need to do right, guys, and so upstairs. Stop editing. Upstairs is the little baby room. The baby room's upstairs. We go jumping and the spicy castle. You can jump. Doink. And here's the bed. Right in the corner here. Hope you'll be able to get past because it's really hard for me to. Okay, so let's go down. Go downstairs. Right. So now we're downstairs. Yeah. That's my house tour. And I'm so broke, guys. I can't buy a money tree to get more money. Oh no! No! So guys, so that is my house tour. Yeah, and yeah, okay. That's my house tour. Still, right? No, now I am in. I'm in the yeah. I'm in. I'm wreck now. I'm wreck now. I'm gonna tell him. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. How do they do this? Oh, it's Lily unhinged. But Lizzie, you are cute. You are cute. Say I'm cute. You're cute. I'm gonna say I can hold her. I can hold her. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, guys, so, that was bad. Oh, even though I got this big, massive thing. Oh, because I got these, guys. So I'll be I can trade this, guys. I'll trade it to you if you want it. Type in the comments down below if you want if you need this French fries stroller, because I'll give it to you because I have two of this. Then double if you want a double stroller, and maybe I need one more pen. That's Pretty Wisconsin Junior Bodies for Grown. I'm trying to make a neon pet here, and I really need to. Comment down below if you want free lemonade, and I do have lemonade. And comment down below if you want to buy it. Comment down. Yeah, but you're not having my limo because that's the only one we have. And look, I have the unicorn cycle. I know, I didn't press it. And comment down below if you want a telescope logo. Or a donut rattle, or ice cream plush, and one of a frisbee umbrella, or a lazy float. Because guys, you can go on it. You can have a lazy float, guys. You can get a lazy float for free. And my unicorn rattle. My unicorn rattle. Right, guys. So comment down below what you want. And yeah. Get off. Lol. Lol. I said lol. Lol. I'm doing lol. I'm gonna say I'm doing lol. I'm doing lol. Guys, yeah. I'm doing lol, okay? Like, oh no. Like, oh no. I have my fallen. Oh no. I'm gonna say, oh no. Oh no. That's too bad. Guys. Don't. Right, so guys, comment down below if you have a spare dog, and please follow me on Roblox to join my game. Give it to me, and you can join my game. You can join my game to get it. Get stuff off me as well. I look at this Nutella. I called it Nutella because it's a chocolate Labrador, and get more legendary. Everyone has to get more. Nala is there, and Snowflake, and Nutella. DJ Cat is my trusty, nice kitty cat. She's so cute. She has to make her dance. Dance. It's time to dance, dance, dance. It's time. She is the Junior, and she's rideable. Nala's rideable. Good doink. But this is a boy. I'm fingering Simba now. Simba. I got this off Sana. This is Simba. Simba's here. This is Simba. This Shala. So guys, hope you like this video. If you smash the like button and whatever it says on here. So guys, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye. Kadoink. Kadoink.